Nadu, the pictures which come into your minds are high hill stations, mountains, and various temples.
Well, Sonia, I'm very excited to visit Tamil Nadu.
Oh, me too. Myself, Sonia.
And myself, Shravani, we are the guides of today's journey of Tamil Nadu. Now, let us take a glance of auspicious festival called Pongal. Here are my friends to give you more acknowledge of importance of Pongal.
Hey, why do the people of Tamil Nadu celebrate Pongal festival?
Don't you know that it is a festival to thank Mother Nature, sun, and various farm animals which contribute to help a bountiful harvest?
I don't know that the Pongal was so important.
Okay, now let's come together and celebrate Pongal festival.
Oh, I hope you all enjoy the festival of Pongal.
Oh, from where this aroma is coming? Ah, it's coming from there.
Yes, it's coming from there. Sonia, Tamil Nadu is known for its diverse and flavorful cuisines such as idli, dosa, sambar, and chutney. And being staple, most popular dishes like uttappam, rasam, and various type has are. Now I think all of you have taken a delicious taste of Tamil Nadu.
Oh, did you notice it's so hot here in Tamil Nadu? I wonder why it's so hot here in Tamil Nadu?
If you don't know, I want to tell you that Tamil Nadu have generally experienced a hot and humid climate throughout the year. The ranking of the temperature is between 20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius.
Okay, now let's take a glance of history of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is established from three major powers of history. The Cholas, Pandyas, and the Cheras. They have established many temples here. Now, let's take the glance of Bharatanatyam.
Yes, here my friend to give you more information about the classical dance of Bharatanatyam.
Vadakkam. I am Akshara. I am Anushka, and we are going to present classical dance form of Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam is a special dance form of India. It started a long time ago. It tells a story through the hand movements and the face expression. Dancers wear beautiful costumes and rich jewelry. Even today, children and the adults learn Bharatanatyam to keep the tradition alive. It is a dance of grace and beauty. Thank you.
The civilization which began about 2500 BC before, don't you think we should know about this culture?
Yes, why not? Do you know Sonia, particularly women of the South Indian, wear a Kanchipuram sari which is silk with golden boundary and white color. Here you can see their blouse is golden, golden jewelries and with golden border. This is the traditional dress of Tamil Nadu.
Okay, now let's take a glance of some of its temples like Meenakshipuram and Tamil Nadu's Balaji temple. I hope you all understand its importance. Now we're gonna end this skit and I